Hey, I'm Tim, and I want to take a second to invite you to Easter weekend here with New North.
Our culture runs on anxiety.
We're nervous about our jobs,
our kids,
finances, and futures.
Our to-do list alone can overwhelm us with feelings of burden and burnout.
But what if there was a better way to live?
We're going to be talking about how Jesus' resurrection, the central event in all of history, helps us live with less anxiety.
and gives us real hope in this worried world.
We'll be having 2 Good Friday services where our church body will be sharing their stories of God's work in their lives.
On Saturday and Sunday, we'll have 5 Easter services, including a special sunrise service.
Not only are you invited, but we ask you to bring someone with you.
In addition, there will be activities for the whole family.
You can see all the details at newnorth.church. Hope to see you there.